Salam sejahtera. Kami ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih atas sokongan dan kepercayaan anda selama ini. Bermula 1 Julai ini, kerajaan telah mewajibkan semua pemandu dan penumpang untuk memakai tali pinggang keselamatan semasa bas sedang bergerak. Jika gagal mematuhi, anda boleh dikenakan denda RM300 Malaysia. Kami faham, ada penumpang yang rasa tali pinggang keselamatan tidak penting. Tetapi sebenarnya, ia sangat membantu mengurangkan risiko kecederaan sekiranya berlaku kemalangan. Peraturan ini dibuat demi memastikan semua penumpang selamat tiba ke destinasi. Kami amat menghargai kefahaman dan kerjasama anda semua. Marilah kita bersama-sama mematuhi peraturan ini. Sekali lagi, terima kasih banyak atas kerjasama anda. Kami ucapkan selamat perjalanan yang menyeronokkan, selesa dan selamat. Terima kasih.
Hi. Thank you for your continuous support and trust. Please be informed that, starting from July 1st, all drivers and passengers are required by law to wear seat belts while the bus is moving. Non-compliance may result in a RM300 compound fine. We understand that some passengers may feel seat belts are unnecessary. However, wearing a seat belt greatly reduces the risk of injury during an accident and helps protect you and your loved ones. This regulation ensures that every passenger arrives safely at their destination. We really appreciate your understanding and cooperation. Let us all work together to follow these regulations and create a safer, more comfortable, and more secure travel environment for everyone. Once again, thank you so much for your cooperation.